Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can find the directions of your house in the Google Maps. So we have to start from setting our actual position by this icon, but I choose the start point, for example in that place. Now choose directions and set here your home address. I will choose something from the map, like this one. Now how you can see you have a route, and if you want to take the directions to your home, you have to switch to the walk mode, or maybe with the car mode, and just slide up the bottom menu, and how you can see there is directions for your home. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.